Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to talk about pure damage in Dota 2 and how it works. Pure damage in Dota 2 ignores all forms of damage reduction or amplification, making it particularly effective against heroes with high armor or magic resistance. Omni Knight's Purification and Hammer of Purity ability are good examples of pure damage. They deal a set amount of damage to enemies, bypassing any resistances that they may have. This makes it a very reliable tool for dealing massive damage and securing kills, especially against tanky opponents. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming.